Vivo Bible, 7 minutes in the Word of God. Genesis 1:10. And God called the dry land earth, and the gathering together of the waters called he seas. And God saw it was good. In Genesis 1:10, God called the dry land earth, and the gathering together of the waters called he seas. And God saw that it was good. When we hear those things, we recognize that God is speaking to us, that God is telling us something. God is speaking so that he could be heard. It is clear. It is easy to understand. It isn't hard to comprehend, and it isn't something that requires interpretation, explanation, designation, segregation, or even word studies. As a matter of fact, the more that you realize that God speaks clearly, the more clearly it will be spoken to you. It's very easy to understand Genesis 1:10. And God called the dry land earth. That's not confusing. That's not speculative. That's not something that's subject to question, but is a fact that God called the dry land earth. The immediate response ought to be, what did God call the dry land? And the response would be, God called the dry land earth. And the gathering together of the waters called he seas. Obviously, God is speaking. Obviously, we are listening. Because the answer to what God called the gathering together of the waters would be, and the gathering together of the waters called he seas. And God saw it was good. God doesn't speak to be misapplied. God doesn't speak in order to be interpreted. God doesn't require an explanation. As a matter of fact, if we look at these scriptures, as easy as it is to understand, a little child can follow them. A little child can understand them. A little child can lead us if they just simply accept the fact that in Genesis 1:10, and God called the dry land earth, and the gathering together of the waters called he seas, and God saw it was good, then a little child would lead us. For these are the things that God has spoken unto us, that we should know what he has done, what he has said, and what is the fact and the truth of the Word of God, as we are given it by God. For whenever we take something away from the Word of God, we act as God's editor. When we add to the Word of God, we act as God's counselor. And God doesn't appreciate us taking from or adding to what the Word of God says. If God required there be more, he would say more. If God thought you couldn't understand, then he would send you an interpreter. And as a matter of fact, he has. But the point of it being is that as simple as we read it in Vivo Bible, there's no question as to what is being said in Genesis 1:10. It is clear as day, and it is as obvious as the stars in the night. And God called the dry land earth, and the gathering together of the waters called he seas. And God saw that it was good. God saw that it was good. It's not a question of whether we have to interpret what is good and what is bad. God saw it was good. It's not a question of what he's saying is good or isn't good. It's a question of whether we are listening or we are thinking that we heard something that isn't said or isn't stated. When we add to by way of our thought process, then we have changed what really God is saying, because he's saying no more and no less than this simple statement. And God called the dry land earth, and the gathering together of the waters called he seas. And God saw it was good. If I were standing on a beach at night, and the fire was raging, and I was telling the story of creation, and I wanted to make explanation of all the things that came into being, it would be so simple to simply say, and God called the dry land earth. Even as it would be simple to say, as we do in Western culture, once upon a time. Because that's the way that it was written in order to be told. And that's the way it once was spoken, as it was verbal communication. It was meant to be spoken and heard. Even as we read it now, it was translated down to the written word, the way that it was spoken, so that you could hear it and you could recognize it as being the story that God is telling you, the fact of the reality, from Video Bible to the word that you've heard, which is this in Genesis 1:10. And God called the dry land earth, and the gathering together of the waters called he seas. And God saw it was good. It doesn't get any simpler than that, and it doesn't get less confusing or more confusing. It's just simply a question of what have you heard and whether or not you listen to the Video Bible.